If you're working on an animated project, it can be overwhelming to keep track of all the various components that go into creating any form of animation, even if it's as simple as just like a 10-second piece, right? And as such, for our animated film project, we created a template that has been beneficial to us that we want to share with you, so that way it may help you with what you're creating. So here is an overview of it. And by the way, I've linked to the template itself down in the description box, so you can click it, download it, utilize it. If it is beneficial, of course, you're welcome to modify it and so forth. If anything, it's just meant as a jumping off point rather than this is exactly how it needs to be done. So here we go. What we have here is it broken down into the various columns. So the first column here is, of course, the scene number, right? So when you make a movie, once the script is locked, each scene gets assigned a number, right? So that is what you would put here. Then in terms of animation, each shot gets assigned a specific number. So, a typical animated movie has anywhere between 1,200 to 1,500 shots. So, you would literally number those based on the storyboards and stuff like that, and you would place it all in here. Then, once you build out the animatic for your project, you can determine the number of frames each of those shots has, right? And that's what this column is for. So that way, is it a quick shot? Is it a longer shot? Things of that nature, right? And just to keep kind of track of it, there's a column for description. So I reserve this usually for, what's happening in the shot. Just something very simple that if I'm just literally looking at this, I don't have to cross-reference it too much. I can just look at it of like, oh, a man runs across the river, right? Okay, cool. I know what's going on in that shot. So it just makes it a little bit easier. Then the next column is current note / link to note. So, as things start to take shape, things come in, the director or whoever gives it notes and stuff like that. So this is a way to track whatever the latest note is. You put it here so that way they can get to it much faster. Then to the right of all that, we have the various phases of the animation process. So for us, we actually shot everything as a live action reference before doing our storyboards. So that's why we have this. You probably won't need that. Your first phase would most likely be the storyboard phase. And then once you have the storyboards, you create the animatic, then you do the layouts, the key poses, all the way to the final product. And of course, you want to make sure that it's quality controlled, right? To make sure that even though you did the final render, like the render didn't hiccup. And by the way, I did another video explaining all of these various phases. So I've also linked to that down in the description below. Hence why I'm kind of yada-yadding a lot of this stuff. Now, as far as each of these go, right now, there's all these drop-down menus and it says not started, right? So when you're starting a project, something's not started. But as you start to, okay, let's say we, we're in the process of shooting this shot, you can select that. Once we're done with it, you can say in review or in revision. Maybe it's a shot that you thought you needed and now things have evolved, so you no longer need it. Maybe you might put it on hold, right? Because you don't want to be working on stuff that you don't need. And if it is approved, you click approved. And you essentially do that for all the various phases, for all the shots that you have until you get to the very end and you have, each column of every row needed where it's all just green, right? Let's say, in this one so far, like we've gotten all the way to the in-between phase, right? So I can just visually look at this and be like, okay, cool. Yeah, so in terms of this shot, we are in the in-betweens. And in fact, I'm just gonna do something real. I'm gonna make this even more beneficial where we're gonna freeze this up to column B, so that way you always know where you're at. So I always know which scene and shot it's referring to. So, let's say this is scene 1, shot 1. I know that we are in this phase. And then, okay, it's in review. Okay, then now it's been reviewed, so now it's in revision. Okay, everything's revised, it gets approved, and yada yada, right? So it's pretty simple, but it just helps keep track of everything, and you can visually see of where you're at and what else is needed. So it's a great thing that certainly for us that we created. It just helps keep us on track, and feel free to utilize it to help yourself. And as I said, feel free to make modifications to tailor to your specific needs. If you have any questions or thoughts of your own, please comment down below or hit me up on social media at Svitek. Thank you for your time. I truly do appreciate it. See you next time.